Okay, so regarding tiny acrylic lenses out of disposable cameras being used as a macro lens, I will show you how I do it. Here is the plastic and cardboard clip I made. Resin-soaked cardboard, very hard, basically carved out with a utility knife to the shape of a lens. Could probably do it with a piece of wood and a milling machine if I had access to them. I have wood, not a milling machine. Here's a mouse pad I printed. 400 dots per inch. And here's the little lens. As you can see, there's a fairly large magnification effect. If I hold it against the camera itself and get it nice and close. Isn't that sharp? Absolutely high quality. So, what you need, one of these, a weird adapter, whether you make it out of pieces of wood or cardboard soaked in resin, ring of duct tape, that's what I used. Basically, take the lens, I set it down inside of the cardboard, align it nice and centered, take the ring of tape, put it on top, and put it down around it. Now we take it and put it on the camera. And look at that. I don't have the exact focal point where it has to be sitting correct yet, so it's kind of hard to focus it. Gotta be really careful with the placement of your camera, because otherwise it focuses not around the center. Okay, so I got it adjusted correctly, and this is what it should do. The actual focal point is very small, so you gotta get it adjusted very particularly. But as you can see, it works pretty good.